Hey everyone, in this video, let's ask the question of where you can find the channel guide on YouTube TV. In order to do so, here we are at tv.youtube.com, and what we're looking for can be found up at the top right hand corner. You will see this icon here that looks like a magnifying glass, and if we click on that, then that is going to bring you to this page here where you can browse sports, shows, movies, news, family, and also the various networks that you have available with YouTube TV. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in an AI companion for academic document writing, you can unlock your writing potential with My Stylus AI. Find relevant sources, effectively manage references, refine with AI editing, and get instant help through AI chat research. And if you use promo code SkillcraftAI, you can get 10% off of your subscription. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.